Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and in this video we're going to do a quick review of Gelato. And Gelato has to do with printing on demand for your e-commerce business. You can sign up for free and only pay for what you sell. So it's really good. You can see Shopify gave it a review. So you can make Mother's Day your next best sales moments. They are lowering prices by up to 50%. You can sell straight from Amazon and TikTok shop with Gelato. So why should you choose it? One, it is the world's largest print-on-demand network. Two, it sells globally and produces locally. Three, it is 100%. It has 100% free editing tools for you to create your custom products using their suite. Then it has about 60 plus logistic partners, high-quality products, endless creativity with short-to-stock images, and a one-click integration to the leading e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and so much more. So for print products, you can also use the Gelato Connect. And also for print on demand sellers, you can accelerate business growth with innovative design tools and apps. So it's quite simple. What are you waiting for? It was created for the Gelato has created the world's largest network for local production and distribution of customized products. So together with you as the producers along with the customers, and Gelato can bring creativity to life and into business. So what are you waiting for? Get started. Don't forget to integrate with TikTok Shop, Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, BigCommerce, and API. You can start selling so many things like posters, canvas, calendars, cards, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, print on demand. Also exists in Europe, print on demand UK, print on demand France, print on demand in Canada. So this way you can get your print on demand. It's as simple as that.